Yeah guys, so right now we're in the airport, about to take a business trip to Jamaica. We don't know, we're gonna have some fun as well, so stay tuned. Hey guys, so from you see we're in our house, you know, we're rich. Never get to record much of the journey, much of the trip yesterday. I was very tired. But when at the BNB now, I don't really like it. So I'm gonna switch, I'm gonna change, I'm gonna move, I'm gonna go somewhere else. Just stay. It's not like awfully bad, but this naggy, you know, a little vacation vibe. It need renovation. Come on, man, renovate. Raphael there. Raphael, activate.
See that we just do enough you can do that.
Yeah.
Just turn in one go so.
YouTube channel. You make them know?
Yeah man.
Smoke, play top chopper, walk one south, manly medals, alone bang out, man a big niche, bang on the line, man a big thief, every day my chopper next victim, money off of me.
So for being shoot some clips today, but we'll get caught up because we're gonna do some work in the shop. I try to get all of the new stocks them in. So about after 11 over there from like after 10 today, 10 a.m. now 11 p.m. Look, the whole plaza empty. And just we alone. So we're about to wrap up now. I don't even know if I'm going on the road tonight because I'm drained. But stay tuned guys. It's about 1 o'clock and we're just now checking in the new Airbnb because as I told you guys I was not gonna go back to that old one. I mean this one is not the best either, but it's way better than the other one. I'm not even gonna change my clothes. I'm just gonna head back on the road and see if I could get some food. Yeah guys, a quick tour, you know. Probably show you guys the pool and thing. You're gonna see everything in part 2, but for now we'll keep it quick and simple. Hey guys, so the plan for today is we're gonna go to the bank, gonna go by the shop, finish up where we left off last night. But for now I need to go get some food. I still have some things to sign up that I need to take to the bank, where I need to put some perfume on. I don't know which one. What's the vibe? This is very nice. I also love this a lot. Guess I'll just use both of them. Remember, get behind the ear. You don't know who might ask for a hug, guys. And I know I'm gonna definitely take this off today because it's not cold here. So I'll see you guys at the next stop. Just a small fit check. Adidas. Oh, the Adidas super baggy. That is it.
Jugs lad wa go on the acre 18 car we are the money maker. But we no cater so later Shell 420 and maker. Tugs out done south 9x clip ram we no punch out. Remy Martin pop it jugs out. Senseless.
Hey guys, so this is what day 3 I think. Still didn't get to go out last night. I came home, I told the guys to call me and I just couldn't wake up. I was super tired, but today I'm definitely going. I'm definitely going out tonight. Definitely. Nothing is gonna stop me tonight. Nothing. If I have to crawl out of the bed, that's what I'm gonna do. But yeah, tonight, as usual, we're gonna get some business done in the morning. Again, hopefully I can kind of record throughout my day. You know, I haven't been like driving with nobody and things, so it's just like me. It's just me, so it's like hard to like record and shit. And you know, this is like my first like video, so I'm still kind of getting into the groove. I don't know if I'm gonna post this. If you see this up, just know this is a new person, is it? Because it's crazy, but we are gonna head out. I have my little brother with me in my hide. I don't know why, but as I always said, we're gonna see what I go on the road today. Hopefully, gonna catch some more little, you know, we'll make the thing happen, though. Oh, no cheese, say cheese, say cheese. What you want? Say cheese. Cheese. Yeah, guys, so this are the fit for the day. Nothing too crazy. Is it? Nothing too crazy. We've been wearing shoes all week and thing. So we're gonna what? Say hi, say bye. Bye. So these are the little drippy for the day. So we are up on the road now, we dealt with some business and we'll see you guys soon. Yeah, this a wee circle downtown, me and Bad Dutch same way. So we are make 2 flick on the ground same way, you don't know our place though. Yeah, we govern the place, want your boy hide him face. 2 reach way out of Harbour View Shopping Centre. And I head back for Gartown again. Gotta do some more business, bro. Part 2, I see the whole of the fun still, but for now, just be like some like errands where they just offer run. You get me? But stay tuned, man. Now see. Yo, the man them say ball game I play later. You know I'm mad ass. So I see if I can catch some clippings and things like that too. You see it? Showing us some man a murderer. You see it? Although Dutch the like here that still in there, dog.
Ready, brother.
You're a big baller, dog. I don't feel my idea, you know that too, dog.
I want to later.
So later, a mad ass. You see it?
Boy, we are gonna make a road in a dog. We're gonna make 2 chop in a road in a dog. Yeah, man, so man, I don't know if I hear the voice of Zizi chat. I represent for a fashion box. You see me? Modest fashion, them just link up, you know his style go. How we do? So we keep things current. We tell them so we never need them strength.
But yeah, no, we gotta dig off, you know. Go play some ball, so we reach up. But we have play ball, Jalen.
Barbican turf.
Yeah, so we have go on the Barbican turf to play some ball. So we reach and think. See if we can catch some clippers, see it. And the youth there, dog, a beer fucker. Show him the Dutch, dog. A beer fucker, boy, my youth. Just wanted to say, and then a joke thing. Every night where I leave late, bro, I never know, say, this would actually take so much time out of my trip for actually organize up and Ray. You see it? Take a lot of time, bro. Could I hardly get for having no fun, but you don't know.
Yeah, people say they're bad, man.
Yeah. Yeah, man, carry the bag, them, you know?
Yeah, I get 500 US a month for free.
Yeah, man. I want to tell my people.
You want to tell her, say, she alone left. Right, some more people upstairs.
People, I want to tell say. People, we are going to Harbour View today and police stop drugs. To your drugs rich. Before the police them see where drugs say left or right. So me say drugs, what you mean? Drugs I say, I don't want my left a thing or I don't want right a ticket. And the man them say, yo, do you think a bossy, them start call him bossy. So me I say, no, it's a different level of richness.
Respect, yeah, bro?
Yeah, people are youth, yeah.
Nothing but true nothing, man.
You rich your fuck.
Wait till you see them jump out tonight with the TQ link.
Yeah?
What? When you go on?
Be a idle my fee money, man.
I feel like saying
Millions, man, you know.
There people boy for the one know the shop there. See it there, man. See where it name? Yeah, you see it there. If you not wonder. You see it. Right, this is the poster bus them load and thing. That's them. Shop number 38. You see it. Active. Dutchman, I him the light camera from man. See him there. Active Dutch. So the man you see your son look. You can't really see him now like dark. You see it a morning time. Look how my camera yeah, alright, you see him go for the light there. Watch out, you can see him looking better. Alright. Yeah, nah, see. Yo, just a see him teeth.
Go on.
Yo, look at my camera, boy. The youth there, get a big. Yo, the man get a big double decker breakfast, bro.
Yo.
And the man asks you if you get a breakfast, bro. And the first thing I gonna say the breakfast no ultimate. You see the man mashed up, the man mashed down the whole of the breakfast.
He meet that breakfast before me charge. I mean,
Lem, make sure with the camera. Lem, the man get a Ross breakfast, double decker. Yeah?
We call double decker.
Double decker breakfast. Hear him, cause the man sharing breakfast now. Hear him, I tell the man one more dumpling. You tell the man them one more dumpling. You don't tell the man one more dumpling, Dutch dog.
The man give me 2 dumplings. Irish, sweet potato, and white yam. And big white yam.
Yeah, and where you left in the plate? Where you left in the plate?
I left back 2 dumplings, brother.
Bumbo, please, and one dumpling I eat.
And 2 dumplings get over eat 1 dumpling.
It just said 3 dumplings I get, brother.
2 dumplings, I say you.
Lem, the man zero
I take
the
a camera
food.
from me.
No, brother, cause them things need to be documented, bro. Make a ask Shadrach.
Ask Shadrach, no?
Charge the man, I'm gonna buy some juice, natural juice. Charge me see the man stay somewhere in the back.
Bumbo
3 seconds! 3 seconds! Yeah, yo, when you said that, remember when you say him can eat after 12 patty them. Me I say.
Yo, let me know a lie at let them just go with the flow with the stick.
Don't say no mash the juice. You don't drink up the whole of the juice.
Look how long it take for drink up the juice, dog.
You left nothing in the juice,
You know
back up? No. Yo, the youth people, him dangerous.
Yeah, man, people, man.
Dangerous.
Yeah, man, people, man.
You see it?
Jugs bring go buy a diesel breakfast.
No, but yeah, must say breakfast. Where you say yo the breakfast good? Or whatever the first thing you're gonna say. Yeah, you know, let me make it look like.
Say you in a Jamaica, you born in a Saudi Jamaican state.
No, brother, I
just
don't know
say
about a
everything in one.
Jamaican car. You don't make it look like, say. You make it look like it's one of them small mini box. They when really and truly is a double decker.
See, you
And you-
look at the video.
No, brother,
I
can you
say
shell
that,
down?
so.
Oh. And him shell down everything,
Oh.
people. So now him see,
This now make it on the flag if I that you want.
bet you.
If you put this on it, Jugs, me, I go flag your video.
Alright, make us see.
Pussy, I'm gonna come roll.
Cause number one, you know why I can't vlog it, Jalen. Watch, I tell you if you see your face. Yo, look at yo, yo, we not see nobody who can't flag it. I tell you that.
Yeah, man.